conditional sentences with if. We can say these conditional sentences as conditional clauses or if clauses. So we have both the names, conditional clauses or if clauses. So these are used to express that the action in the main clause. Okay, so here we have three types of conditional sentences. So three types of conditional sentences. Look at the first one, conditional sentence type 1. If it is possible and also very likely that the condition will be fulfilled. If it is possible, the condition is also fulfilled there. So that example, look at the example clearly. If I find her address, I will send her an invitation. If I find her address, find, present tense. Here in the second clause, that in the subordinate class we have I will send. If it is present tense, here also it will be present only, but we will use the word will. Okay, that is the first type. Look at the second type. If I found her address, I would send her an invitation. The second one is found, that is the past tense. In the subordinate class we have would send. Okay, look at the difference between the first type and the second type. There it is, if it is present tense and both the part we have present only. If it is past tense, in the second part we should put the word would plus that past participle. Okay, and then look at the third type. Look at the third type here. If I had found her address, I would have sent her an invitation. If I had found, that is past perfect tense. If it is past perfect tense, we should put the word here would have sent. Okay, so look, you have to observe the three things here. If it is present tense, here also present. If it is past tense, here also past tense, but we should use the word would send. Okay, and then here if it is had found, you should write I would have sent. Okay, let me have some more examples here. Look at that. In this table it will be clear again. Here, the simple present. If I study, I will pass. So, if it is present here, study, I will pass. Okay, and in past tense, if I studied, past tense is there. So, here you have to put would pass. Okay, I would pass. Look at the third one. If I had studied, here we are using had studied. Here we should use would have passed. Would have passed. Okay, look at the difference between the three sentences there. If it is present, second part also present. If it is past, second part is also past only. And then if it is past perfect, here also past perfect only, would have passed. Okay. Let me see some examples in the textbook there. Complete the conditional sentences. Decide whether to use type 1, type 2 or type 3. Okay. So, look at the first sentence. If I had time, I dash go shopping with you. Here had is there. Okay. So, what we have to write there, obviously it will be as in which type it is we have to find. So, I can write this as I would go. I can say this as I would go. Okay. The next sentence, if you dash speak English, you will get along with them perfectly. If you dash speak English, you will get. So will is here. So obviously it will be here as it is the verb speak. Okay, here also present tense only. So you have to write speak. Third one. If they had gone for a walk, they dash turned the lights off. Here it's had gone. Okay, so here perfect tense is there, past perfect is there, so here also it must be past perfect only. So we can write would have turned. Okay, would have turned. The next one, third one, fourth one, if she dash come to see us, we will go to the zoo. Here it is given will, present tense only. Here obviously that it will be present tense. If she come, but this is third person singular, so we have to put yes along with this verb. So it will become as comes. The answer for this is comes. Then fifth one, I would have told you if I dash see him. I would have told. So what we can have there? Past perfect, isn't it? So I had seen. Here that answer is I had seen. Few more examples are here. In the textbook we can see here. Choose the best answer. I will come if dash time. I will come. This is present tense. So obviously here must be the present only, isn't it? So what will be there? Will have. I will have come. Sorry, here it's not will have, this is wrong there. So here I had also won't come, this is also wrong. So here present tense is have. So we should write I will come if I have time. Okay. Second sentence. If he is late, we dash without him. If he is late, we dash without him. Here if he is present tense only, isn't it? So is present. So obviously here also the second part also must have the present only. So I can say will start. So the answer will be will start. Look at the third one. If you dash me, I would tell you. If you dash me, I would tell you. So here it's given would tell you. Past tense is there. So obviously here also it must be the past tense asked. If you asked me, I would tell you. Fourth sentence. Will it be alright if I dash a friend tonight? Will it be alright? Present tense only. So if I dash a friend tonight, that means you have to write a present tense only here also. So what is the present tense given here? Bring. So we should take this word bring here. Next one. If you dash to learn a musical instrument, you have to practice. Here we have the word have, present only here. So here also it must be present. So if you, so here we can say the word is want. If you want to learn a musical instrument, you have to practice. The next one we have match the following. In this match the following, we can say if they worked hard, worked past tense, so they would win. If I invite Shalini, invite present tense. So here also next part also must have the present verb only. So will come, she will come to our party. If I had got enough money, I would have bought these things. Fourth Roman letter. Fill in the blanks with correct verb forms. Here the answers are also given. You have to find which one would be suitable here. If you dash out with your friends tonight, I dash the football match on TV. Here both the verbs we have to select there. Okay. For example, look at the first one. Here go and would match. If it is present tense, here also it must be present only, isn't it? So if it is given go, here will match, will watch only should come, but therefore it is wrong. We should take this is wrong. And then look at this one. If it is go, will watch, this is the correct match here. So we can have this answer as go. If you go out with your friends tonight, I will watch the football match on TV. Okay. Look at the second sentence. If he dash harder, he dash his goals. If he dash harder, he dash his goals. Okay. We can take if he tries, if it is present tense, here also must be present only, isn't it? So here it's given if he tries, would reach, he would reach. Or if you tried means past tense means here it must be past tense, there is no past tense, so this is wrong. And then if you tried, would reach, this is also past only. So we can take this as C here. Okay. The correct answer is tried, would reach. Third sentence. If we dash to the radio, we dash the news. Here also we should see the rules here. You just keep in your mind, if it is present, both must be present. If it is past, both must be past. If it is perfect, both must be perfect. Okay. So here look at the options here. Here it's given listen, would hear. So this is present tense, but this is not the present, so it won't come. Here it is had listen, but here it is given will hear. So this is also not the correct answer. Here listen is a present tense and the second part will hear is the also a present. So we can take this option as if we listen to the radio, we dash the news, we will hear the news here.